Hi, it's Hannah, and for today's video, I'm partnering with Little Ondine. If you're not familiar with them, they are a water-based nail polish brand that is peelable, odor-free, and quick drying. They're also non-toxic, cruelty-free, and vegan-friendly. I'll be showing you swatches of all three of their awesome twin sets. I think these are super cute and make really great gifts. I will also be showing you a quick and easy tutorial for this glitter French manicure, so let's get started. Before anything else, apply a layer of Little Ondine's Secret Base and Top Coat. For the glitter French, I'll be using the Queen with the Crown set and applying Cabernet Sauvignon as the base color. Take New Year's and draw a curve near the tip of the nail, then fill in the entire tip, making sure to even out the glitter so it's not bumpy. Finally, apply the Secret Base and Top Coat over the entire nail. And that's it! When you're ready for something different, you can just peel it off. I think this look is really great for any holiday parties or get-togethers you may have. Continuing with the swatches, here is New Year's on the full nail. Next up is the Bold Beauty set, which includes Aqua and Propose. Also, I did 2 coats for these swatches and finished with a top coat. By the way, these twin sets are only available during the holidays, and right now Little Ondine is having an awesome sale where you can get up to 50% off, so be sure to check below in the description for a link and all the info. Now we have the Dreamy pastel set, which includes Smoky Mountain and Admiration. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to let me know which set is your favorite, and don't forget to find me on social and tag me all your nail pics. I'd love to see them. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!